The process begins with a cleaning machine, which removes impurities such as dirt, stones, or other debris from the raw peanuts. After cleaning, the peanuts are crushed using a crusher to break them into smaller pieces, increasing their surface area for better extraction. The next step involves steaming the crushed peanuts in a steam cooker. At the heart of the production line is the screw press, where the actual oil extraction occurs. The screw press applies mechanical pressure to squeeze out the oil while leaving behind solid cake residue. To ensure the extracted oil is free of particles, it passes through a filter press. Finally, the crude peanut oil undergoes refining in a refining reactor. This stage removes unwanted substances like gums, pigments, and odors, producing clear, pure, and refined peanut oil suitable for consumption. Some advanced lines may also include degumming, bleaching. Each piece of equipment in this production line plays an essential role in maintaining efficiency and output quality. Modern systems often incorporate automation features, reducing labor requirements and improving consistency. With its comprehensive design, a full-scale peanut oil processing line not only meets industrial demands but also adapts to varying capacities.